Hello, in this video let us learn how to solve this equation. So we have 9 raised to the power t plus 9 raised to the power t plus 9 power of t is equal to 999. And here, how to solve for the value of t. So t is your unknown, question mark. Now to solve this solution, so the equation is 9 raised to the power t plus 9 raised to the power t plus 9 raised to the power t is equal to 999. So looking at this right here, 9 power of t plus 9 power of t plus 9 power of t is equal to 3 times in bracket 9 power of t. So you have 9 power of t in 3 places, which equals 999. With this, we are then going to divide both sides by 3, so over 3. Such that 3 divided 3, what you have is 9 raised to the power t is equal to, now if you divide 999 by 3, what you have is 333. So with this, right, 9 can be written as 3 squared. So in place of 9, we'll bring in 3 squared. So in brackets, 3 squared power of t is equal to 333. At this junction, there is a rule that if you have a raised to power n power of m, this equals a raised to power n times m. So applying this over here, what we then have is that 3 raised to power 2 times t, so 2 times t is equal to 333. From here, right, where it has 3 raised to power 2 times t is 2t is equal to 333. At this junction, we are then going to introduce logarithm to both sides of the equation. So we are going to have it as logarithm of 3 raised to power 2t is equal to log 333. So with this, we are then going to apply one of the rule of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a raised to power b, this equals b times logarithm of a. So applying this rule right here, what we then have is that power 2t then becomes 2t then times logarithm of 3, which equals log 333. At this junction, what we'll then do is that we'll divide both sides by log 3 over log 3. So log 3 cancel out log 3. We are left with 2t is equal to log 333 over log 3. So with this, we can still simplify this. So 2t is equal to log, now 333 is equal to 3 times 111, right? So in the place of 333, we can bring in 3 times 111. So in bracket, 3 times 111, right, all over logarithm of 3. And from here, we are then going to apply a principle of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of in brackets a times b, this equals logarithm of a then plus logarithm of b. So applying this principle right to this, we're going to have it as, okay, 2t is equal to logarithm of 3 plus logarithm of 111 then all over logarithm of 3, such that from here, right, we can then split the denominator. So doing so, 2t is equal to log 3 over log 3 then plus log 111 over log 3. So upon doing this, 2t is equal to, right, log 3 cancel out log 3, that equals 1, then plus log 111 over log 3. So with this, 111, right, is equal to 3 times 37. So applying in the place of 111, we can bring in 3 times 37 right here. So 2t is equal to 1 plus log in brackets 3 times 37 then all over log 3. So solving this, right, there is a rule that we're going to apply, that if you have logarithm of in bracket a times b, this equals logarithm of a plus log b. So applying this rule right here, 2t is then equal to 1 plus log 3 plus log 37 all over log 3. So at this junction, we are then going to split the denominator such that 2t is equal to 1 plus log 3 over log 3, then plus log 37 over log 3. So from here, log 3 cancel out log 3, you have it as 1. So the value is 2t is equal to, here is 1, then plus 1, right? Then plus log 37 all over log 3. So from here, to solve for t, divide both sides by 2, so over 2, such that 2 cancel out 2, the value of t is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, then plus logarithm of 37 all over log 3, right? Then all over 2. At this junction, we are then going to apply a rule that if you have logarithm of a over log b, this equals logarithm of a base b. So applying this rule right here, the value of t is then equal to, we have 2, then plus, here becomes log 37 base 3 all over 2. From here, we can still simplify the value of t such that, right, t is then equal to, we have it as 2, we can split the denominator, so over 2, then plus log 37 base 3 all over 2. From here, t is equal to 2 divided 2, you have 1, then plus log 37 base 3, right, all over 2. And with this, we've gotten the value of t, right, to be t is equal to 1 plus log 37 base 3 all over 2. But then, let's confirm if truly the value of t that we got as this is the correct answer. So let's confirm working back to the equation, that the equation is, so let's check. The equation is 9 raised to power t plus 9 raised to power t plus 9 raised to power t is equal to 999. Now, 9 power of t plus 9 power of t plus 9 power of t is 3 times 9 power of t, right? Is equal to 999. So then divide both sides by 3 over 3. 3 cancel out 3. 9 raised to power t is equal to 999 over 3 is 333. Okay, so with this, right, we can then introduce the value of t, which is 1 plus log 37 over 3 over 2 into this equation. So 9 raised to power t is this 1 plus log 37 base 3 all over 2, with this equal 333. So question mark. Now let's confirm, right? From here, we have it as 9 can be written as 3 squared. So 3 squared all raised to power, we have 1 plus log 37 base 3 all over 2, right? With this equal 333. From here, the power of 2 can multiply this such that we have it as 3 raised to power 2 times 1 is 2, then plus we have 2 times log 2 times log 37 base 3 all over 2, right? So with this equal 333 question mark. Solving this further, 3 raised to power 2 plus 2 we divide 2, you have log 37 base 3, with this equal 333 question mark. From here, there is a rule that we're going to apply, and the rule is that if you have a raised to power b plus c, this equals a raised to power b times a raised to power c. So applying this rule right here, what we then have is that we have 3 raised to power 2, then times 3 raised to power log 37 base 3, with this equal 333. Okay, now 3 raised to power 2 is 9 times 3 raised to power logarithm of 37 base 3, with this equal 333. So question mark. With this, looking at this right here, there's a rule that if you have a raised to power logarithm of b, base A, this equals to B. So applying this rule right here, what we then have is that we're going to have 9 then times 3 raised to power logarithm of 37 base 3 is equal to 37. So with this equal 333 question mark. Now 9 times 37 is equal to 333 and this is equal to 333. So that means that the value that we got is the correct answer. So the value of t that we got as 1 plus logarithm of 37 base 3 over 2 is the correct answer. Okay, and with this we've come to an end of this video, but then don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.